ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದೇ ನಿನ್ನೆದು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 2 ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನಂತೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವೀಕಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾನು ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ಸು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಫೈಲ್ಸು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟು. 2/6 ಅಂತ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, 11/6 ಅಂತ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಮಗುನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 2/5. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡೆಡ್ IA ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷಲ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 2/6 ಅದು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ RFA. ತುಂಬ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್. ಈಗ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಅದು ಲೋಕದಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು RFA 25 ಅಪ್ ಟು 12 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ. 25 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರಲೇ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ನನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದೇನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಪ್ಪಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಗಳ
ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
For the release of the deposited amount for the claimant.
Where is the time? After vacation only.
Okay.
Second, this bench may not sit. You may have to go before the provisional bench.
The claimant is unconscious.
Correct. If you want, you are ready to go before the provisional bench. Tagond kaliಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Second.
Tagond kaliಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Adjustments.
Why did you not move all these days? ಯಾವ year ಇದ್ದ appeal?
2025. Recently there.
One matter filed for challenge the decree of restriction of conjugal rights, and one matter challenging the rejection of the divorce. Now, the restriction of divorce is listed today at 31. Yesterday, I moved both the matters. Restriction of conjugal rights appeal I have not moved. I request to be listed along with that. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ along with 31 I request along with 31.
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
Final hearing or Victims appeal. What is the urgency? Huh. Correct. Even after that, now there is an acquittal. What is the urgency? What relief immediately she can get? After vacation and date court crisis.
2-6.
2-6. Sorry. 2-6. Yes, next.
My lord, MC case, my lord, it's a divorce case, my lord. Divorce is granted, my lord, on the basis of plurality and desertion, my lord. I am for the wife, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, if you get married and my lord, the divorce
Now, when did you file the appeal?
last week, my lord.
Don't question.
2-5. 2-5. Adjournments, page wise. List 1, page 1, seal number 1, seal number 2 and 3. Page 2, seal number 4 and 5. Page 3, seal number 6 and 7. Page 4, seal number 8 to 10. Page 5, seal number.
10 respondents, my lord, they have moved the court. We have filed a caveat. Maybe it could be add on second, my lord, because we'll file our objections.
They have moved. Just wait. It is a 10th matter.
Page 5, seal number 11 and 12. Page 6, seal number 13 to 16.
13, my lords. Am I audible, my lords? Serial number 13. We need some time, my lords, because of the suggestions made by his lordship. I think it is correct that 44A becomes applicable. The lordship may have it after vacation, my lords.
That requires a different procedure also.
Because there is some part
No, my
which
lords
has to be
were
executed also.
exactly right.
In, a suit has to require section 13.
Section 7 of the Family Court Act.
Family Court Act, section 13 will suit happen.
Great.
Now we are going to withdraw this.
Pardon, madam?
We are going to withdraw this.
Today we are not going to withdraw, madam.
Not today.
as
After
requested
vacation,
by
lordship may have it.
5-6.
5-6.
Much obliged.
Page 7, seal number 17 to 19. Page 8, seal number 20 to 23.
My lord, serial number 20, my lord. My lord, serial number 20. But I got some inconvenience. Kindly call it some other day.
Records, TCRs are received. Who is for the other side?
Even other side, they are permitted to withdraw also.
They are common records.
Yes, my lord. 3 cases.
20. Admit list for final hearing on after vacation.
Much obliged.
17-6. Page 9, seal number 24 to 31. Page 10, seal number 32 and 33. Page 11.
Appeal is decree for partition. Defendants appeal. Who? Appellants are defendants or plaintiffs? Suit is dismissed or partly decreed. Dismissing this. This is affidavit is sworn to by appellant number 3. Who are appellants 1, 2 and 4? Four is dead. 4 LRs are there on the front. His brother and I now counsel for the appellant. Order 23 Rule 1. Unconditional withdrawal. Why application was required? Memo itself would have been sufficient. That is only if you want to liberty to file passion. Counsel submits 23 1 Sir, application under order 23 secrecy, seeking withdrawal of appeal. Application is accompanied with the affidavit of appellant number 3. No leave is sought to file fresh suit or appeal. Considering the same, appeal is disposed of as withdrawn.
Page 11, serial number 34 to 37.
My lordship, serial number 34, my lordship. Appearing for the appellants, my lordships. My lordships, kindly have it after vacation, my lordships.
As requested by appellant's counsel, list on.
My lord, serial number 36, my lord.
36, whom do you represent?
I'm appearing for the appellant, my lord, N. Krishna Swami. Some inconvenience, my lord, my senior is not available. So that reason, kindly after vacation, my lord.
Okay, counsel for respond number 2, list on.
12-6.
12-6.
Much
Page
obliged, my
1,
lord.
serial number 38 and 39.
My lords, I'm for serial number 38. I'm for the claimants, my lords. I'm not doing well, my lords. Kindly, may I request my lords to post it post vacation. I'm for the claim.
Respondent.
5020 of 2020, my lords.
In that you are for appellant.
38.1, please.
In the first matter, there by different parties. No, same.
Same.
In that
please.
matter, you appear for respond number 1 and 2. You are not filed wakalat for
N.
R1 and
N. Shreyas,
yes.
kindly.
As requested by counsel for respond number 1 and 2. List on.
13-6.
I'm so grateful, my lords.
Page 13, serial number 40 and 40 to 43. Page 14, serial number 44 and 45.
My lord, serial number 44, I have moved the matter, my lord. I am for the respondent. My lord, I pray only for the return of trial court records, only for the purpose of withdrawal of the deposit.
Why amount is ordered to be
Amount
released?
is already deposited.
Order to be released?
Order to be released. 17/12/2024 was the order, my lord. It was admitted. The appeal was admitted. And the appellant was required to deposit the amount before the trial court. The amount is also deposited, 50% of the award amount. I am for the claimant. I am for the claimant.
17.
I am for the respondent. I have also filed one appeal. It may be connected along with.
Counsel for respond number 1 and 2. You are for 1 and 2, no?
I am for the respondent claimant.
Submit.
One, only one.
Yes, will be returned to the tribunal for release of the amount. On 17/12/2024, this court has ordered for release of the amount deposited by the appellant. 50% of the amount in
50% of the amount.
has ordered for release of 50% of the amount in deposit to claimants 1 and 3. Therefore, return the TCS. Last time only there is an order.
But the trial court
TCS shall
records.
submit the TCS of
TCS ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Return the TCS to the tribunal. Tribunal shall resubmit the records after the purpose is over. List of the resubmission of records.
That appeal may also be connected, my lord. I have given the number, the appeal filed by me.
140 of 24.
No, it is submitted in the beginning of the court. It is submitted that this matter is connected to MF number so and so. Please quote the matters together.
Okay.
List number 2, page 1, serial number 1 to 4, page 2, serial number 5.
The order serial number first.
List number 1 for being spoken to, serial number 1. F.S. Dabali, Vikas Nagaya.
For the appellant murder. In this case, murder, interim compensation of rupees 50,000 was paid, which has been deducted by the tribunal. But instead of para 18 of the judgment murder, internal page 12 of the lordship judgment.
Yes.
Para 18 of the lordship judgment murder, 15,000 has been deducted, but instead of 50,000, which was deducted by the tribunal model interim compensation.
Guys, let's release it. Let's award it. Okay.
Instead of 15 model, 50,000 has to be deducted.
Other side,
The tribunal has deducted about 50,000.
somebody were appearing.
Vikas Nagaya.
This is arithmetical mistake.
The tribunal model in para 18.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಇದು 15,000 ಇವತ್ತು 50,000 50
Instead of 5, you want 50.
correct, but other side is not there, so
The tribunal has also deducted about 50,000. Into page 9 of the tribunal's judgment model, para 18.
right, but now for this correction other side should also be notified. You have the 152 application ಇಲ್ಲ there is
It's only an arithmetical error.
but how can we say that anywhere it has come that 50,000 is already paid in the judgment.
Tribunal has deducted. Tribunal model in its.
Tribunal ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೂ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ instead of tribunal deducted about 50,000.
ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ 50,000 ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
Into page 9 of the tribunal's judgment model.
Not about tribunal here
model para 18 model page 12.
ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸಿ
Since the appellant corporation has paid 15,000.
Other side is not there. ಯಾರವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ even para 18 of terminal 15,000 as interim compensation.
50,000 instead of 50,000 has been deducted by the tribunal.
Fund has paid 50,000. ಯಾರು ಇದಾರ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ವನ ಈಗ you notify the other side also. So you are seeking amendment of the order. Maybe it is accidental error, whatever it may be, but other side has to be notified. 152 application ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಮೊ ಫಾರ್ ಬೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟು?
Last week also when it was posted for being spoken to. Last week when it was listed, but I could not find out this.
ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಯುನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
15,000 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
15,000 ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
50,000 has been deducted ನೋಡು. Para 18 of the tribunal's judgment. It is also worth to note that though respondent corporation has taken condition that corporation already paid 15,000 as interim compensation to the petitioner, but nothing has been stated by RWR.
Appellant had paid 50,000 towards interim compensation, but only rupees 15,000 is deducted. Para 18 of the tribunal's order shows that claimant PW1 had admitted that this 50,000 was paid by the appellant to the claimants by way of interim compensation. Therefore, reduction of 15,000 instead of 50,000 is an accidental error. Same needs to be corrected and corrected accordingly. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು 15,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ 30 5,19,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
It comes from under 4,84,000.
no 5,19,000 is awarded. According to you now difference is 35,000. 15,000 is deducted.
4,84,000 it comes.
Yes. The judgment and award is modified. Granting compensation of this 4,84,000. The order corrected accordingly. We'll correct it.
For order seal number 2, Gopal Krishna N, M. Venkateshwara 2.
My lord, in this case, I pay for the appellant, my lord. You filed memo, my lord, for the paper publication of R1, my lord. Kindly it may be accepted, my lord.
Son is studying.
Huh?
Son is studying. Where is studying?
Son is studying. ಮಗ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಮಗ ಓದ್ತಾ he is studying.
ಯಾರು? Who is this?
He is the husband.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಗು.
ಮಗು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
Is not.
ಮಗು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Then who is he?
Sister son husband. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ತಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ.
Sisters ತಮ್ಮ. ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅವ್ರ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗ ಅಂತ. ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗ.
ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನೀವೇನಾ? ಮೋಹನ್.
ಶ್ರೀ ಮೋಹನ್ ವೈಎಸ್.
ಮೋಹನ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ?
ಓಕೆ. ರಾಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಏನಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಡೈವರ್ಸ್
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ದೇವ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿ ಹೇಳು.
ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ
is in his custody.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Custody ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Son is with the father.
ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓದಿದಿರಮ್ಮ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೀವು? ಏನು ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ?
5ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
5ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಅವರೆಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಓದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಓದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಏನು ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಏನು ಏನಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 6.5 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಏನು ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ?
1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಈ ಹಣ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏನಮ್ಮ?
ಸಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವಿವಾಹ ವಿಚ್ಛೇದನ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮಗು ಏನ್ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಗುಂದು? ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಒಪ್ಪಂದನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪಿ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಡಿಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪಿ are filed by the appellant Srimati Maheshwari was the respondent
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
in MC number 179 and petitioner in GNWC number 26 of 2019 on the file of School Family Judge Mysore by the common judgment and order dated 23/1/2021. The petition in MC number 176 of 2009 filed by the Mohan Kumar. The petitioner in MC 176 has been allowed dissolving the marriage Maheshwari that was solemnized on 11/2/2006. By the very same order, the petition in DNW number 26 of 2019 filed by Maheshwari under section 7, 9 and 25 of the Guardians and Wards Act has been allowed in part. The prayer for the custody of the child has been dismissed. Again, the said judgment decree, the present appeals are filed by said Srimati Maheshwari. Full stop. Matter was referred to mediation at the request of the parties. In the mediation, the parties have arrived at amicable resolution of their dispute, which is as per the memorandum of agreement drawn by the mediation forwarded to this court via communication dated 3/3/2025 in form number 4. The said terms of memorandum of agreement reads as at the today said Srimati Maheshwari and Shri Mohan Kumar are present. Maheshwari is accompanied by her mother or Taina, and Mohan Kumar is accompanied by his nephew. Parties are also duly represented by their respective counsel. Full stop. This court personally inquired with both the parties about the terms of settlement. They have confirmed the terms of settlement. They have understood the terms of settlement and the consequences of the same. Full stop. Mohan Kumar, who had agreed to pay 6,50,000 towards one-time payment towards full and final settlement, Kama is already stated to have paid rupees 1,50,000 by way of a demand draft dated 27/2/2025, receipt of which is acknowledged by said Maheshwari. Today, another DD of rupees 5 lakhs. Yes.
Copy ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Dated so and so. On perusal of the terms of the settlement and on personal queries, this court is satisfied that the terms are in accordance with law and nothing contrary to the provisions of law. In that view of the matter, memorandum of agreement is taken on record. Petitions are disposed of in accordance with the terms of the settlement.
We'll pay it by during the course of the day.
Yes, at request. Week's time granted.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
So number 6, Unima HS, Nagesh, yes.
For the appellant, my lord, we have filed a memo of withdrawal in this matter. The parties have filed a joint memo before this honorable court and another connected matter, my lord, another matter which was arising out of the matrimonial dispute with the withdrawal memo, my lord.
You have filed the joint memo now?
My lord, one set I had filed it in the registry. Now second set I'm furnishing now, my lord.
No, they have filed joint memo in repeat sheet. You have filed joint memo in the repeat sheet, not here.